What is first water?
I don't fucking know.
Water fish. Water fish. Magtayo ng tigwang ay.
Here's the scrapyard.
Yeah.
That's the scrapyard there.
Look, your brief.
See?
Your brief.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, brief to mark.
Perhaps they've left us a fucking mooring empty, eh? What do you think?
Yeah. Obviously.
Oh, that's in Waterland.
Yeah.
What else has he built? Yeah, he's built a swimming pool. That's in that white shed.
Oh, yeah.
Full swimming pool in there.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice. Name na sa balay. Gata silang balay ay. Naabot sila gamay nga. Nice.
He's a builder, the guy.
Yeah, it's nice here. Amazing. Beautiful house. On the destination of the park. Yeah, they are. Amazing. Chuba choo choo chuba choo choo doo 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 doo.
Right, this is a permanent.
Oh no! Oh no! It's
Right the
full.
way around will be full.
Full. The mooring is full. It's full. Full of facts. Full of. Oh no! Walay mooring. Oh no! Tanaw mo guys.
See a,
Abot namin.
I can see a fucking mooring.
A tiny boat. Tiny boat. Yeah, it's a tiny boat.
Is there another mooring boat?
Yeah.
Is this the only one, or is
There's
there's
another-
another one?
Another one there. Wow.
Yeah.
What a
It's the
miracle.
favourite one. The favourite one is clear. No way. Ah, no. Can't get in there. Look, we're getting here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. We have
Yeah, X7.
X7. Yeah. Kamu bus. Sakay na. Sakay na may bus para may Easter. Oh, guys. Guys. Guys.
Within 17 zones connecting. Please advise this service will not platform number 2. Platform information for any passengers. Within 17 zones to Nottingham. The service will now depart from platform number 2.
Is this our train? Train is here.
Yeah.
Tara. Let's go. Train na. Train na. to holiday.
Sheffield, we're running at least 6 minutes behind schedule. This is due to congestion coming in and out of Leicester. There were a few delayed trains arriving and in this afternoon.
The microphone is fucked up.
Microphone. Cocked.
Chesterfield, Sheffield, due to arrive at 18:03. Train with 5 coaches.
It's raining, man. Oh man. First luck of the day.